Hello, Rebecca.
Hi, Lili. This is a funny shaped present we've got today, isn't it? Do you know what it is?
I have no idea.
Well, we'll just have to open it up and find out.
Ooh, 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 oh!
Oh, wow. It's a Peppa Pig Grandpa train.
Ooh, it's amazing.
Let's get it out of the box.
Whee! Whoa!
So inside the box, we get an awesome train that's run by Grandpa, and it's got 2 trailers, one for Peppa and one for George.
Cute.
Grandpa Pig doesn't come out, unfortunately, but if we press his head, he makes 6 different noises.
Full steam ahead.
And I think that's everything, Lili. Now, let's play.
Today, we're gonna play.
Grandpa, it's my friend Candy's birthday today, and my other friends have asked me to go and collect all of her favourite foods to bring to the party. Can we use your train to go and get them?
Look, it's Peppa.
Why, of course, Peppa. You might as well bring George along too. He loves the train.
Come on!
Yay! Thanks for letting me come, Peppa. Where are we going first?
I don't know.
First, we're going to Granny Clanger's soup station. She makes Candy's favourite lentil soup. On we go!
It's got wheels!
Hello, Granny Clanger.
Hello!
Well, hello there. I saw you coming through my giant telescope. What soup can I get for you today? We would like some lentil soup, please. It's for my best friend Candy.
Please?
No problem. Here you are.
Ooh, that looks lovely.
Thank you. See you soon.
Thank you.
Now we have to go and collect her favourite cake from Minnie's bakery.
Ooh, how exciting!
Well, hello there, Minnie.
I'm here.
Oh, hello. You'll be here to collect the special birthday cake. I've got it right here.
Is that for me?
Oh, thank you so much. Chocolate and strawberry. It's her favourite.
Sweet.
Thanks again, Minnie. See you soon.
Bye.
Where to now, Peppa?
He's fabulous.
Now we're off to our final stop to collect Candy's favourite ice cream.
Let me help.
Hello, Kittery.
She's pretty.
Oh, hello, Grandpa Pig, Peppa and George. What can I get for you today? We would like some vanilla ice cream for my friend Candy's birthday party, please. It's her favourite.
It's incredible.
Oh, how lovely. No problem. Here you go.
Ta-da! It's for you.
Now I think we have everything. Let's go to Candy's party. Thanks again, Kittery.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Hello, Candy.
I'm so excited, I'm going to explode.
And happy birthday! Grandpa Pig very kindly drove me and George all around town in his train to collect your favourite foods.
Did you hear that?
my goodness! You guys are the best friends ever! Let's all eat soup, ice cream and cake!
Fun and friendship.
And so everyone celebrated Candy's birthday and ate all of the food that Grandpa Pig, Peppa and George had brought.
Beautiful!
Have you had fun, Lili?
Today is the best day ever.
I'm so glad. Well, I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye, Rebecca.
Now don't forget, Lili is always unwrapping toys, so if you want to make sure that you don't miss any, then you can click subscribe here. And you can also watch some of Lili's other videos by clicking on the links here.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, I think they got that, Lili.
You're watching TaDaKids.